In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Twitter handle. Twitter handle is a unique username to your account that starts with a prefix @ In my case, my Twitter handle is @TechHow_to. So in any event, if someone enters this in the search engine, the person could be able to locate my Twitter account. So in the event later you have a change of mind and you want to change this but you don't know how, I'm going to provide you with a quick steps on how to change this. So make sure to stay to the end of this video to see the entire steps. On your Twitter home feed, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile icon, then click it. Among the bunch of menus here, scroll down till you locate settings and support, then click there. Then proceed to select settings and privacy. This will land us on an interface like this where you see your account. So proceed to select on your account. So you have an option for your account information. Proceed to click on it. There we are. You could see username. So proceed to click on this. So this will land us on an interface like this where you see your current and new. So in my case, the current is TechHow_to. So in the event I want to change it, I can just backspace this and enter any username that I'm comfortable with. But make sure the username is still available. And the username should contain more than 4 characters. So let's try this. Technology_hub. So once you are certain you want to use this technology_hub, you can proceed to click on done. When you click on done, that means your username has now been changed from TechHow_to to the new one, which is @technology_hub. In my case, I'm not ready to change it. If you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.